HotMamaTravel!
Hey, we are at Mount Vernon, guys.
And Daddy took the wrong way. So excited!
Why are we at Mount Vernon?
Because we're gonna see George Washington's home.
It's up to Mommy, be careful. We're at the Mount Vernon restaurant.
Hi. We're having so much fun.
Mount Vernon tea.
Look at this.
What is that?
It's some kind of beer they recommended.
This is the brunch menu. Oh, but look at the appetizers. I really want to try crab cake Benedict. How was lunch, guys?
So wonderful. This is so exciting here. Love this. We're almost ready to
You know
move.
who was a stinker? This guy right here.
We're almost ready to move.
This is cool, guys. Do you know who these people are?
Kevin.
Keely, can you read who they are?
Oh, they're.
On the ground.
Oh, this is granddaughter Nellie, age 6.
Granddaughter Nellie.
Martha Washington, age 54. This is George Washington, age 53. Grandson with what?
Kevin, you're with Washi.
Well, he looks exactly like me. Mom, yes.
Oh, he's like you,
Do you see something here? Look.
We are at Mount Vernon. We're about to get blasted with some rain. We're not used to that in California. Ooh, and lightning. Oh boy.
Thunder!
This is super exciting.
It's the lightning!
Yeah, it's lightning.
That's all right. What an experience.
Lots of rain.
They've never seen it.
We're from California. I don't get any notice. We're like, what is this?
Kevin, just say don't go out there.
There's thunder and lightning. No, what did you say before that?
I don't think the kids have ever been in a lightning storm.
No, they haven't.
So we're going to be here about 30 minutes.
Okay.
Waiting for the rain to pass, bro.
I'm in heaven. This is amazing. I can't
This
imagine.
is the
There's a
Potomac
ship out
River.
there. There's a ship out there.
Did we make it through the bad weather?
We made it.
It was pretty nasty in there, didn't it?
Yeah. It was fun though. We enjoyed it.
No, we were on the porch on the outside. We were good.
Family's up there. Isn't that crazy?
There he is. Keely, that's your first trip to the United States.
His wife's on the left.
I know, honey. Your daddy's recording it.
Washington's grave. I need to get more. I just saw George Washington's grave, and I'm so wowed by it. I just realized how lucky this is to actually see George Washington's grave. It's so cool. You should come. You should not come.
Sanitizers, be quiet.
It sometimes just comes hot.
No respect. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and never miss another minute of the fun. And of course, we offer detailed destination guides and travel tips over at our blog, HotMamaTravel.com, to make your next family adventure hot.